Good morning students. Today we are going to see the same topic algebra. In algebra we are seeing the 3.2 exercise. Look here. Today's topic is greatest common divisor. What do you mean by greatest common divisor? It is in the short form of GCD. GCD can be found using long division method. In your previous classes, you have learned with GCD using the factorization method. Also in second chapter, numbers and sequence, we have discussed using Euclidean algorithm method. Here we are using only the long division method. So listen, how we can solve this in long division method. If f of x and g of x are both polynomials of same degree, then the polynomial carrying the highest coefficient will be the dividend. That means if you are taking, for example, you can listen. This is one polynomial which can be taken as f of x and another polynomial taken as g of x. Look at the same polynomial have same degree, then the polynomial carrying the highest coefficient. So same degree means you have to look here. How you have to find the degree for the given polynomial? So listen to each and every exterm. Exterm contains some powers. The power is called to be the degree. So your highest power is 4. So in this f of x also contains x power 4. G of x also contains x power 4. Both contains the same degree means you have to look at the highest coefficient. Highest coefficient be taken as dividend. What is the highest coefficient here? The coefficient of x power 4 in f of x is 4. Coefficient of x power 4 in g of x which is equal to 3. So you can take 4 as a what? Dividend. So what about here? This g of x will be a divisor. G of x will be a divisor. F of x will be the dividend. So listen carefully. If f of x and g of x are both polynomial or of same degree, if you have same degree, then the polynomial carrying the highest coefficient will be the dividend. You can take this as a dividend. Then listen. In this case, you can solve easily. Or else, if both have same coefficient, then compare the next least degree coefficient. If you had this value also same, the powers also same, the coefficient are also same, means you can move on to the next highest power. So highest power means 3 is the highest power for this. So here also 3 is the highest power. So look at the coefficient of both. So here 14, here 6. So you can choose 14 as a dividend. 14 x power 3 plus 8 x square minus 8x is a dividend. This is x power 3 minus 12 x square minus 24 as a divisor. So listen, we are finding the greatest common divisor using the long division method. F of x and g of x are both polynomials of the same degree. Then the polynomial carrying the highest coefficient will be the dividend. If this is one case and you can move on to the, if it is not possible, you will move on to the next case. What is that case? Both have same coefficient. If that is the coefficient will be the same, you can move on to the next highest power term. Highest degree coefficient. So everyone look at your exercise first problem. In first problem, you are going to find the GCD using the long division method. They can simply give you the two polynomials only. You have to take that as an f of x and g of x. So listen. So here I am taking the first polynomial as f of x. F of x which is equal to 4x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x square minus 8x. Now you take which all the coefficient comes in the 2 table. So you can simply take 2 as common x. 2 into 2x power 4. So this can be written right as 2 into 7. So 2 already taken outside. 7x power 3. So how we can write this 8? 2 into 4. 2 taken outside. What is the other term? 4x squared minus here also 8. So minus 4x. Then listen to this g of x. Now take second polynomial as g of x. So g of x which is equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x squared minus 24x. In this step you can look at each and every coefficient will comes in the 3 table. So you can take 3 as common. So if you are taking 3, what are the term? 1x power 4 plus 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So So 2x cube minus 4 into 3. So you can write 4, already 3 taken outside. X squared minus 24 can be written as 8 3s are, so 8x. So listen here. So we have taken the common terms outside. Look at the inside terms. So here also x power 4, and here also x power 4. The coefficient will be 2 and here the coefficient will be 1. So which one is the highest? F of x is the highest. So this will be taken as dividend. Dividend means you can take it as inner side. This divisor will be taken outer. Okay. So listen, here also x power 4, here also x power 4. If you want this term means you have to multiply with which number. So look at x power 4 is here, here also x power 4. We need only 2. So you have to multiply throughout the polynomial with the value 2. So 2 into x power 4 is written as 2x power 4 plus next term 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4x cube. 2 2s are 4 into x cube. Then here minus sign. So negative sign. Negative value 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 can be written as 8. 8x squared. Then minus 8 2s are 16. 16 into x. So if you change the sign, the 2x power 4 and 2x power 4 get cancelled. So you have to change the sign throughout the polynomial. So if you are changing the sign, 2x power 4 and 2x power 4 get cancelled. Then look at the other terms, 7x power 3 minus 4x power 3. So if you subtracting those values, 7 minus 4 is 3x power 3. Then listen, 4x squared, 8x squared. So you have to add both values. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12x squared. Then here minus 4x, here plus 16x. If you subtract those values, this is in highest value. So you have to put this sign. So plus 16 minus 4 is 12x. Then listen, in this polynomial also, the coefficient will be comes in the 3 table. So you can take 3 outside. Then what are the other values? X cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. Then listen one more thing. Here what is said in the statement? F of x and g of x are both polynomial of the same degree. Then the polynomial carrying the highest coefficient will be the dividend. So this is not your solution. If you get 0, remember as 0 only, that is your solution. If it does not come 0, means you have to redo the steps as well as. So check. Here x power 4, here x power 3. So which one is highest? X power 4 will be highest. So this will be taken as dividend. So you can do one more time. Take this one as dividend and this one as divisor. Okay. Shall we see on that one? So let's look at here. So I have taken this highest degree will be as dividend. So dividend will be written inner side. This value reminder. This is not the step. So this is a reminder. So you can take the reminder as outside and dividend. Listen, you take these highest power as a dividend and lowest power as a divisor. So you can keep doing the steps as you till have the end reminder as a 0. So listen, so the 3 will not be taken. You take simply this x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. So you can keep this a divisor. Then look at the values. Here x power 4, here x cube. So you have to multiple another x, you can get the power x power 4. So keep this x as an quotient. Okay. So x power 3 into x is equal to x power 4. Then multiple the second term. 4x squared into x is 4x cube. Then next term 4x. 4x into x is plus 4x square. You don't have that another term, so you take that term as plus 0x because your x term is there. So you take plus 0x. Now sign change throughout the polynomial and cancel the values. So x power 4 and x power 4 get cancelled. You subtract those values because these are in opposite signs. So put the highest number sign, then subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. X power 3. Then here both are negative, so we put the negative sign and add the values. Minus 4x square and minus 4x square can be written as minus 8x square. Then minus 8x, here no need to change because it is plus 0x only. So if you add or subtract 0, the upper term will be remain same. So minus 8x. Then listen, here also look at the values of x power. Here also x power 3, here also x power 3. Look at the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 1, here the coefficient is 2. So you can continue the step because this is the highest value, this is the lowest value. If the highest value is inside, you can again what? Divide the value. So what you have get to solve this value means you have to put minus 2 into x cube will be same as minus 2x cube. So throughout the polynomial will be multiplied by minus 2. So minus 2 into x cube is minus 2x cube. Then 4 plus 4x squared into minus 2 is minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Then x squared. Then plus 4x into minus 2 is minus 8x. Then sign changing throughout the polynomial, all the terms get cancelled because look at this, minus 2x cube here plus 2x cube, minus 8x square is here plus x square, minus 8x here plus 8x. So all get cancelled, you are getting the remainder 0. If you get the remainder 0, you can stop this process and take. For which step you get 0, you take that divisor as an GCD. So when you get remainder 0, take that divisor as an GCD. So since the remainder is 0, the GCD is, what is our GCD value? X cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. So you can write x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. Here all the terms contain that x term. So you can simply take x outside and write the values. So if you take x outside means x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay. So listen carefully. For doing the GCD, you must keep in the mind. So given two polynomials will be taken as f of x and g of x. You have to first see the powers of that x or any variable given in the question. So the variable will be of degree the same. F of x and g of x degrees will be the same. You can look the coefficient value. The coefficient also same. You have to move on to the next term which contain the highest part. Okay. If you not getting remainder for the first time, you can take these. Look at the two portions. The two portions here. This one is smaller means you can take that smaller one as a divisor and bigger one as a dividend and continue the same process till you get the remainder as 0. If you get the remainder that value is 0, then look at the divisor. The divisor will be considered as our GCD. Before we start GCD, now we are going to see about the LCM. LCM means least common multiples. So LCM of two or more algebraic expression is the expression of highest degree, or else degree will be say as par, exactly divides it. That must be exactly divides it. So listen. So generally in numbers, LCM means what? LCM means if they ask you to find the LCM for both numbers 12 and 16 means you have to listen. So both comes in which table? So what are the prime numbers first? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to etc. So you can choose from the first. If it is even, you can choose from the first number 2. So if you choose 2, how many 2s are 12? 6 2s are 12. How many 2s are 16? 8 2s are 16. Again check. These two numbers are even numbers. So it will be divisible in two table again. So if you do that. So 6 comes into table how many times? 3 times. 8 comes into table as 4 times. So again you can divide. This 4 only comes in two table. This 3 is not. So you can keep that 3 as it is. You can continue the 4. 4 means how many times? 3 comma 2. Then this 2 again comes into table 3 comma 1. And again you look at 3 comma 1 now. So 3 comma 1 means you can move on to the next value 3. So 1 comma 1. Now you have to multiple all the common multiple values. What are they? 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 into 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. Balance 1. 3 ones are 3. 48. So in general, you are finding the LCM for any two numbers. The value will be 48. For the algebraic expression, you are finding LCM means. So you have to look what are the procedures you have to use to find that. What are the steps you have to use to find that LCM value. Resolve into factors. First, you have to resolve into factors. So this can be resolved as in factors. Okay. So these are the factors for which these number 12 and 16. Or simply you have to know factor means so finding factor for 16. How you have to find the factor? 16 comes in one table, 16 comes in two table, and 16 comes in four table. Then 16 comes in 8 table, and 16 comes in 16 table. So 1 16s are 16. 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. These are the values of the factors for this number 16. So likewise, you have to find the factors for the algebraic values also. Then highest power of the factor will be taken as LCM. What is the highest factor? So here the highest factor is 4 squared because 1, what are the factor? 1, 2, 4 as 2 times, then 8, 16. So these are of power 1. This 4 square one is of power 2. So 4 into 4 can be written as 16. So then, finding any two numbers, how to look at the power values. Then numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients is 16 means it is a number. For example, if you take 16x square means this is the numerical coefficient for this x square. This is called to be the numerical coefficient for the value x square. Then product of LCM of factor and the coefficient is required. First you have to find the product of LCM of factor and its coefficient. So this x square can be written as x into x. This is the factor and also called to be a product. Okay, factor or product. Then this is the coefficient. Product of LCM of factor. Product of LCM of factor and the coefficient. Numerical coefficient will be required. Then if you listen to one problem, you can easily understand. Okay. So first of all, look at this problem. Find the LCM for the values of 16m, 12m squared, 8m squared. So you can simply find each and every term factors first. So first value is 16m. That 16 can be rewritten as how we can write that 16 means. So you can simply put 2 times 8 into 2 is 16. Then 4 into 2 is 8. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So what are that factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The m can be written as it is. Then this can be rewritten as 2 power 4 into m. 2 power 4 into m. Then next one is 12 m squared. So how we can interchange the 12? So listen to that. 12. 6 into 2 is 12. Then again 3 into 2 is 6. So you can write that 2 into 2 into 3. You can write that algebraic value m squared as it is. Then this can be rewritten as 2 power 2 into 3. So 2 times and then 3. 2 power into 3 m squared. Then look at the last term 8m squared. So find factor for that also. 8 means 2 into 4. Then 2 into 2. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 power 3 m squared. 2 power 3 m squared. Then look at the each and every term and find out some values. So compare with this. Resolve into factors. We have resolved each and every time as a factor. Then highest power of the factor is LCM. Highest power of the factor means, so look, each and every term contains what the value? 2 power, 2 power, 2 power. So which one is highest? 4, 2, 3. That's 4 only highest. So you can write 2 power 4. You can write 2 power 4 first. Next, is there any 3 term? Only one 3 term. You take that 3 also. Then m term. Here the m power is 1. There is no m power. In center term, that is m power is 2. So you can take that m power 2. Because I have to choose the highest power of the factors only. So I have choose the m square. Then n, here no n, and these two terms contain n power 2. That is the highest term only. So I have chosen that n square also. So listen carefully. For finding this, resolved into factors, then highest power of the factor will be taken as LCM. Numerical coefficient, how to find LCM. Numerical coefficient, each and every term you have to find out. Or else you can do in the simplest method, 16, 12, 8. In this way also you can find the LCM. Then listen. So what are the terms? So I have completed the 16 and m can be rewritten as 2 power 4 into m. This 12 m squared can be written as 2 power 2 into 3 m squared. Then 8 m squared can be rewritten as 2 power 3 m squared. So finally you can write the LCM of what are the terms? 16 m, 12 m squared, 8 m squared is. So what are the values? We have find out. Look at the highest power. This is the highest power, 2 power 4 into. There is no other 3 terms, so we can take simply the 3. Then look at each and m term. Here m power 1, here m power 2. Take that m power 2. Then here also m squared, here also m squared. You can choose this m squared. Now you can write this 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So 2 power 4 means 16. 16 threes are what? 48. So you can write 48 m squared. This is our LCM. Then look another problem. Second problem. Good solution. Sixth solution. 2x squared minus 3xy. This is whole square. 2x squared minus 3xy, which is whole square. This can be rewritten as, you can simply take x as common because both term contains the x value. So you take x as common into, what are the other term? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. This whole square only, so you can put another bracket and put that square value. Then you apply the square for each and every term. So x whole squared is x squared, 2x minus 3y the whole square. So this can be rewritten as x squared 2x minus 3y the whole square. Next consider the second term. What is our second term? Our second term is 4x minus 6y the whole cube. 4x minus 6y the whole cube. In this term you can take 2 as common. If you take 2 outside, 2 into x minus 3y. This is of whole cube only, so you keep that cube for both the terms. Then apply the cube to inner side. So 2 cube into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Then consider the third term. What is our third term? 8x cube minus 27y cube. 8x cube minus 27y cube. That 8 can be rewritten as 2 cube x cube. The 27 can be written as, you have to find for 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Likewise 27 is odd number which comes in 3 table. 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are. So 8 can be rewritten as 2 cube, then 27 can be rewritten as 3 cube, y cube. Then both contains the power 3. So you can simply take 2x whole power 3, likewise 3y whole power 3. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is your formula for a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then write. So what is our a? Our a is 2x. 2x minus b is 3y into a square 2x square. So 2x whole square, which can be written as 2 squared x squared. 2 squared is 4 x squared. Then plus AB. A into B means first multiply the coefficient. 2 into 3 is 6. Then what are the variables? X and y. Then last term plus b square. Here b is 3y square. So 3 squared y squared. 3 squared is 9 y squared plus 9 y squared. So you have find out for each and every term the values, factorized values. Then look at the common values. X squared is only one term, no other x squared. So you can write that x squared first. Also numerical value. Here is the only numerical value 2 power 3. So you can write that 2 power 3 also. Then what are the terms? Here also 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Look at the parts of each term. 2x minus 3y is of power 1. 2x minus 3y is of power 3, 2x minus 3y is of power 2. So which one you have to take? You have to choose the highest power. Here the highest power is 3. So 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Then what are the other term? This is the other term. 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. So listen here. For the simple calculation you can find that factors for the each and every numbers first. After that to consider the variables. If they given like this means you have to apply any formula application, means you have to apply that formula applications. Afterwards you have to take the LCM values. If there is numbers, you first write that number, afterwards variable. Here the only number is 2 power 3, only 1x squared term in the question, the solving process. So you can write that. And look at 2x minus 3y is the highest power 3. Then another term is 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. At last, how you have to write the LCM of what are the terms? 2x squared minus 3xy the whole square. Then 4x minus 6y the whole cube. Then 8x cube minus 27y cube, which is equal to what are the value? 2 cube x squared 2x minus 3y the whole cube into 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Likewise you have to answer. So look, each and every problem how to first find the factors, then look at the highest power of the factor will be taken as LCM. Third, numerical coefficient. So numerical coefficient here is that number 2 power 3. In this problem, 48 is your numerical coefficient. The product of LCM factor and coefficient is required. Product of LCM of factors. This is the product. The product of LCM of the factor. Here, this is the product of LCM of the factor with the numerical coefficient is required. So this is the steps you have to use to solve the LCM value. For GCD, you have to use in the long division method. In this exercise, for LCM, you have to use these steps to solve the problems. So listen, I have solved 2 problems here in LCM. In GCD, I have solved 1 problem. So other problems you have to do as an homework. Okay, thank you.